Who wrote the Harry Potter series? A. J.R.R. Tolkien. B. J.K. Rowling. C. George R.R. Martin. D. C.S. Lewis. The right answer is J.K. Rowling. What is the primary function of the International Monetary Fund yani IMF? A. Providing loans to individuals. B. Regulating global oil prices. C. Providing financial assistance and the economic stability to the member countries. D. Controlling international trade. The right answer is providing financial assistance and economic stability to the member countries. During a hockey match, if the ball is stuck in the goalkeeper pad, the game is restarted by A. Penalty stroke. B. Free hit. C. Bully. D. Penalty corner. The right answer is penalty corner. When was the first agriculture reform introduced in Pakistan? A. 1948. B. 1951. C. 1959. D. 1972. The right answer is 1959. The Pak-China border agreement was signed in which year? A. 1956. B. 1963. C. 1971. D. 1982. The right answer is 1963. The All-Party Conference APC was held in which year? A. 1928. B. 1930. C. 1940. D. 1946. The right answer is 1928. About dash of the earth land surface is covered by sedimentary rocks. A. 50%. B. 65%. C. 75%. D. 85%. The right answer is 75%. In which year was Sputnik 1 launched? A. 1947. B. 1953. C. 1957. D. 1963. The right answer is 1957. What is the chemical formula of sugar sucrose? A. C2H6O. B. C6H12O6. C. C12H22O11. D. CH4. The right answer is C12H22O11. Mole is the unit of A. Amount of substance. B. Temperature. C. Mass. D. Light intensity. The right answer is amount of substance. What is the source of computer data? A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The right answer is both A and B. Cat is related to kitten in the same way as woman is related to A. Puppy. B. Cold. C. Cobbed. D. Baby. The right answer is baby. The synonym of defer is A. Postpone. B. Daffy. C. Differ. D. Indifferent. The right answer is postpone. सरोसांसी का किरदार किस नावल में है? A. खसो खाश ज़माने. B. आका दरिया. C. अलिफ. D. राजा गद. द राइट आंसर इज खसो खाश ज़माने. आका दरिया किसका नावल है? A. नसीम हजाजी. B. बानो कुदसिया. C. कुरतुल ऐन हैदर. D. इंतज़ार हुसैन. द राइट आंसर इज कुरतुल ऐन हैदर.